Since the advent of man, warfare has been an integral part of human existence. Unfortunately, in the modern era, part of warfare has now become medical warfare. We have undeniable evidence that hyperbaric oxygen therapy is the most effective treatment for traumatic brain injury and PTSD. Yet, it's not being accepted and applied. And the battle is being fought amongst the doctors. This is medical warfare now. Where the science and the evidence is there, but it violates belief systems in medicine, and it gets even to dirty politics. And the failure to acknowledge the data, acknowledge the science, and admit that mistakes have been made and some people are wrong in their positions about appreciation of and understanding of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. There are many obstructions within this battle. In particular, the studies done by the Department of Defense were done by and overseen by CEO of the Department of Defense's drug company.